guys, my name is Genesis. I go by Jenny, and today I am going to get some inches. These are 22 inches, all black, and they are tape-ins. So I just took this off because it was in the way. I want to say 60 pieces. I do have thin to medium hair, I guess, not too thick, so I want my hair to be thicker than longer. I just got them longer because my hair has gotten so long, and these are a new set. I've used other ones in the past that I've been asked if I would reuse them. I would if my hair was short still. Those can be reused, and these I think will be good to reuse. I can just tell by the quality of the hair, they're pretty good. So all I would have to do after getting them taken out is retape them, and they should be good to go. And these should last me a month at least. We'll see. So I'm gonna try to take you guys with me if I can't, because my coworker's doing it for me, so I feel kind of awkward like recording, but I will kind of try. And I'll like update you guys later on how it went, how long it took, and all that. So this is how long my hair is. I try to straighten it, but because it's so clean, because I washed it today, my coworker advised me to wash my hair today so these can stick longer. So my hair is a little like, I didn't really use a lot of conditioner so they don't slip out. So my hair is about that length. If I were to wear extensions, I would be getting like 20-inch because this is like probably the length that I have. So that's why I got 22 inches. So they can maybe be like an inch or two longer, because I don't know if my coworker's gonna cut them or not, but yeah, so I don't have that much hair. As you can see, this is only half and it's like tiny. It looks bigger because it's poofy, but it's not too much. I'm gonna try to take you guys with me, and if I can't, I will update you guys. This is my hair from behind. It's pretty long. It's like up to right there. I hope you guys can see. Hi guys, I'm outside. I don't know if it's loud or anything, but today is 4 weeks and 1 day since my last clip. I didn't get to record me getting my hair extensions put in because my coworker actually had me help her the whole time. She didn't charge me either, so I didn't mind helping her. It just took away time for me being able to record. So if you guys want to see how they're put in, I've already made a video of how I put them in, which is the same way she put them in. So I'll put that up here somewhere. So yeah, it's been 4 weeks and 1 day. They're still going good. They're growing out. So for me, they're like bothering me. They're growing out like an inch. So, you know, they used to be snug and now they're just loose everywhere. So like in the back, it's worse because the actual tops of the hair extensions are thicker. They're just always thicker and they get thinner to the bottom. And so I have a whole bunch in the back that are just thicker at the top, and it's like a bird's nest. I feel I can't really brush it out because it just gets tangled with hair, but it's not bad. It's just there's too much hair on top of the root, and when I'm brushing it out, it just gets stuck. It's not the hair though, it's just the way that they're laying on my head right now. But yeah, they've grown out. There's some that are like over my ear. Like anything that's over your ears just kind of bugs you. It's like you hear it moving around and everything. It's not fun. So I am ready to take these out. My coworker told me to let her know when I wanted to take them out, but I think I'm just gonna do it myself because it's not that hard, and I will show you guys how I do that on a different video. So hopefully that one comes soon after this one. I want to show you guys how long they are. They're pretty long. They're just black, so they blend in with my hair really well. She didn't have to cut them or anything. My hair is like right there, I think. No, that's not mine. Nope. My hair is about right here, but the extensions, they're longer. They just don't really look like it in the front. In the back, they're super long. But I'm going to show you guys a clip of how long they are in the back. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, subscribe, comment, like, and I will see you guys next time.